If your Amazon profits dropped this month, it's not your ads, it's Amazon. And here are the 10 real updates from this week you need to understand. Amazon reported $181.5 billion revenue, up 17% year over year. Operating income rose to $23.9 billion, up nearly 30%. AWS grew about 28%, advertising grew 24% faster than retail. Third-party seller share dropped to about 60%. This means Amazon is shifting from retail first to ads and AI first. Seller competition is increasing structurally. Amazon is quietly taking back share from sellers. 3% drop sounds small, but is massive at scale. Expect more Amazon retail competition and more buy box pressure. Ad revenue is growing faster than units sold. Ads are up 24% while units grew only about 15%. Translation, you're paying more for the same customer attention. Amazon is investing $200 billion into AI infrastructure. Free cash flow dropped by about $24.7 billion year over year. Massive capex pressure means costs may shift downstream to sellers. Rufus is becoming the new search layer on Amazon. Engagement with Rufus is up about 400% year over year. Ads are now integrated inside Rufus conversations. Search is turning into conversation and keywords are turning into intent. If you're not optimized for this, you'll lose visibility. Amazon joined the Universal Commerce Protocol alongside major platforms. This protocol is the infrastructure for AI agents to buy products cross-platform. Future shopping won't happen only on Amazon, but through AI agents across platforms. Amazon is testing AI audio called Hear the Highlights on listings. Your listing could become an AI-generated podcast based on bullets and reviews. You are no longer writing only for humans, but also for AI interpretation. Amazon now shows a high price label triggered by historical and competitor pricing. This label lowers click-through rates, conversions, and trust immediately. New DSP inventory includes full-screen ads on Kindle Unlock with high attention. Amazon is expanding monetization beyond search and product detail pages. Hazmat is now allowed in the partnered carrier program, making inbound logistics easier. Prime Day is confirmed for June, which accelerates scaling and competition. Premium Brands Week and other moves show Amazon defending and expanding globally. Subscribe and Save is coming to TikTok Shop, and Vine discounts are offered for new ASINs. Here's the reality. Amazon is increasing ad dependency and pushing AI into shopping. They are expanding control over margins while building the future of agent-based commerce. And sellers are still optimizing keywords as the landscape changes. If you want real weekly breakdowns like this, follow me, because Amazon isn't slowing down, it's accelerating.